Hi, I'm Devin, Creative Director for IBM's Project Whitespace. In this course, we're going to learn about design thinking by redesigning a checkout experience. But first, let's define design thinking. Design thinking has been around for decades, and it's been used to create and improve everyday products like toothbrushes or computers, as well as non-tangible things like services and software. But what is design thinking? Design thinking is all about gaining insights into your user's experience as you design, develop, or sell your services to your user. While many get caught up on the design part of design thinking, the emphasis should really be placed on the thinking, meaning anyone, no matter their discipline, can benefit from design thinking. The practice itself became solidified largely thanks to the design consultancy Ideate, acting as pioneers of the process in the early 90s. And less than a decade later, Ideate's Bill Mogridge began emphasizing design thinking in business practices rather than just product design. Throughout this course, we'll be working through an example project where our user's web checkout experience is less than enjoyable. Our opportunity to improve that experience will be found by focusing on the areas of discomfort or annoyance in the user's path, or as it's known in design thinking circles, pain points. We'll also be taking you through a design thinking workshop so you can see these practices in action. One of the maxims that design thinkers tend to say is, show, don't tell. And we're looking to do exactly that for you. I'm looking forward to being your guide throughout the process, and I'll see you in the next video.